right. That's fucking right. That's the 4.6 right there. Look at all those lines right there. My nigga. That's right. All the fucking smoke up in this bitch. I like that right there, y'all. Got the 4-banger right here. We can't do that right here, sadly, in this whip, but that shit is right, guys. He's about to get the new tires round. That's the only reason why he did that. I'm about to do that tonight, too. I got the big-ass leakers, so might as well pop them tonight, right? Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see me pop those tires, the OEM tires. I got the sleekers that Mojo sold me. Tire plug right here. You guys need tires, hit him up. 4 points. Juan Sanchez 4.6. Put his out right here. Let's get it, y'all. Crazy as fuck. Tonight, we'll see what there is. Might do some fun runs.
New tires only, no use.
New?
Only new hood. I don't
New.
Tires.
Only new tires, guys. My voice is fucked up. Sorry. I don't know why. But new tires only. No new, no used. But we're gonna go do some fun runs tonight. See what's up. There's gonna car meets, but you guys saw the little fucking little rolls right there. That shit is crazy as fuck. That's the Scatpack, the burnout. That's the Mac pack right there, guys. But I should have recorded myself when I was doing that, but I didn't tell him. I just did a fat burnout and swung it. But tonight, probably do it again, you know. Put new tires in that bitch. Oh well. It is what it is. Mojo's the fucking plugger for the tires. Pop him. Get some
Give me
guineas.
some of that military green wrap.
The military green wrap? What are you trying to wrap?
IS300.
There you go. Mojo's trying to wrap his IS300 in military green. You guys saw this G35, right? The old G35 I had military green. He's gonna wrap his IS300, the Lexo Bexo, in military green. That should look hard as fuck. But you guys already know what the dealio is, and the Emilio, and the Cafilio, and the Emilio, guys. Stay the hell tuned for all that shit, because tonight, his cousin with the Beamer, I showed you guys earlier, the white one, and the Scatpack right there, and all the grays all the way in the front.
Maybe the
SS, maybe the SS.
Chivos.
Pinche Chivos a la verga. Oh, Chivos! Chivos! Hey! Motherfuckers! Fuck you! The Chivos are gonna pull up right now, guys. We're gonna have a fun night tonight, Mexico night tonight, with the Scatty as well right now. Fuck 12, you guys see 12 right here. I fucking suck my dick. But it's gonna be lit as fuck. Nah, just kidding, 12, you guys are lit. But it's gonna be crazy as fuck. I might just do a few more burnouts of the tires, and hey, if I mess them up, I end up putting the sleekers on. Sadly, I won't have tire letterings, but I'll go back to the OEM tires. I'll go back to the OEM tires of Mojo. I'll get them from him, and I'll go put tire letterings. Stay tuned for all that shit, y'all. Let's get it. Oh, yeah, you already know what the dealio is and Emilio is. Mojo driving the Tacoma. That's a 5-banger cut. We about to go change the tires on Alex's car right now. I don't know why. My dumbass did a fat-ass burnout on my Scatpack right now, guys. I never done a burnout that long. I should have recorded it for you guys, but I never knew I was gonna do it. I had the traction off. I swung it good, huh, Mojo? Yeah. I swung it fucking clean on the fucking rear of the tires. It left a bunch of smoke. Everyone was laughing. I should have recorded that for you guys, but I didn't. But I will get that on tonight, just in case we get wild at Mexico tonight with his cousin. He might be there, most likely, once he gets out of work. Alex is gonna be there tonight too in Mexico. It's gonna be a wild one tonight, guys. Alex is gonna change his tires right now because his tires are bald. We are gonna get ratchet as fuck in Mexico. Do a couple of fun runs. You guys already know what the dealio is and Emilio is. It is gonna be a great one. It is gonna be a wild one. Stay the hell tuned for all that shit tonight, guys. I know you guys want to see the Scatty burn out. I know you guys want to see the Scatty do donuts. We'll get it right now. Stay tuned for all that shit. He's gonna change his tires. Ours in the vlog once we're at the shop right now. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. We're right here right now. Let's see if he gets them for a good deal. But we're here. See how much he gets these tires for. Damn, look at all these tires, guys. Fat ass tires, y'all. Damn, these look like tractor tires. Let's see how much they're gonna sell it to him for. I mean, they said they got the Connect, they got all these tires, any type of tires you need. So we'll see what kind of tires he's gonna get right now. I'll see if he gets sleekers, if he gets regular ones. Guys, I am sorry, my freaking voice is all fucked up. Can't really talk right now, but they're gonna hook my boy up right now with the Scatty, and we're gonna see what they're gonna give him the tires for, what deal they're gonna give him. But you guys see it right here live in action. All these tires right here. But Mojo's the Connect, the best Connect right here. But we'll see what they're gonna sell it to him for.
What was this for?
It's crazy. We'll see right now though. Damn, look at all these tires. The tires right there. Tires right there. On the Scatty, guys. We're gonna get off right now. Let's see them right now. It's crazy as hell. Damn. Sick ass burnout right now though. I like that burnout. I like that burnout. Look at these tires, y'all. Damn, these are already wasted. They're gone. So, you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. Gotta do the show really fast. Telling the burnouts really fast. Hell yeah. We're gonna see what tires he's gonna get. See if they have him or not. We'll see right now. We'll get some new tires up on the Scatty right now. So you guys already know what the dealio is and Emilio and Emilio. Hell yeah. Let's get it right now. Ours is the vlog now. Once we see if he could even find his tire size, put him on right now. Stay tuned. We just came to another tire shop right here, right next door, guys. So we're gonna see if They have this tire size here. The other shop had 19s, which are not his wheels. Right here, they have 20s. Hopefully they find them. As you can see, it was burning out because these are all bad already. They're messed up. But hopefully he finds his tire size right now. Get him on. We get some road races. Me and Alex. That's me and Alex right there. You guys see it right there. It said that one's brown, ours is blue. Sick, man. Los Angeles, that's right. Hey, you gonna get road races tonight?
It's coming from Mexico.
Hey, you gonna get road races tonight?
Yeah, they got it.
Hell yeah. Road races tonight, guys. Mexico. Guys, right now, we got the tire shop right now. Hopefully we find the right tire size, the right tires for his Scat, because they're older. These tires gotta go. Mine are gonna gotta go too, because I got burning out like crazy, but we'll see what happens right now. We're at the tire shop. We at the plug. See what's up. Not Mojo's gonna be the last opportunity. Mojo got him too. We'll see right now. Hopefully they install him too. I think it's the guy right there. We'll see right now, guys. We're gonna start on with Scatty right now. Stay tuned for all that. You already know what the dealio is and Emilio is, guys. Before the video actually ends, smash that like button, comment in the comment section below. If you're new to the family, please hit that subscribe button on the right hand corner, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications so you guys will not miss a single banger, guys, because the Scatty tires are right here. Still haven't mounted them, but they will be mounted later on, guys. I was gonna take them exactly right now. I just got back from work, but the Scatpack already has a good amount of tires, guys, so I might not just add tires right now, but later on these tires will need to change, and I will be adding new tires on the Scatty, so stay tuned for all that, guys. I know you guys want to see this thing get wild, get ratchet, get crazy. Done some fun runs, and I might upload them today. Stay tuned. I might have them on the YouTube channel today, guys. It's been your boy Rob. Remember, guys, keep moving forward, never give up, and remember why you started, y'all. Peace out, y'all. Stay tuned for the others.